Check out this cactus. I'll get around and get the sun up my back. See it better. Look at all the bird holes in there, making nests inside those cactus. See needles on it. They are, I mean, we're talking needles. Oh, these are kind of brittle. Definitely don't want to get stuck by them. Check that out. And this is what they look like on the inside. They're just tubes of wood. They're just wood. That's all they are. They're really lightweight, but there's multiple tubes in there. Looks like there's an old hornet nest in there, or beehive. That's what they look like underneath the cactus skin. These plants, when it rains, this particular plant smells the way you'd think the desert would smell. It's that fresh green smell. There's an oil on them. And no stickers on this, which is kind of odd. Most things out here have stickers on them. This one doesn't. I don't know the name of it, but when it rains, it sure smells good. Here's another cactus. Type. And these little buds actually break off when something rubs against them. That's how you can see them down here on the ground. Afraid to pick them up, but they look like that right there. They break off, and later they try to sprout a new plant. That's how they germinate. And they'll get little flowers on them. You can see where the flowers used to be on these. They're all dead off. They won't come back till the spring. That's a little bit about the desert there.